welcome to another video. My name is Colby Milling. Today, I just ran into an issue. My car, I just replaced spark plugs and it still misfires. So, here I'll let you hear it. I had to replace the radiator, the other one started leaking. I haven't ran it yet. Yeah, those are pulled down, but they ain't hurt anything. So, you hear it, it's misfire. Alright, that ain't too good. So, I'm gonna rebuild the engine the way it looks, because I probably got timing wrong when I did my last rebuild. And after, well, I guess it doesn't have any coolant right now. But basically, yeah, we're gonna rebuild it. It should backfire, okay? Alright, let's take that hood off and we can start pulling the engine. I believe it's a size 6. Yep. Make sure you like and follow for more content. I'll be updating you guys. I think this will be a series, my summer car. Yay, the hood. Don't see two hoods, right? I don't like the fiberglass hood. Just it's not as easy to put on. Okay, now let's get the engine lift. Actually, yeah, I'll have to get the engine lift. Might have to push it backwards a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna have it over the pit. I believe that's the way I want it. Okay. Like so. Does that soon? The way I see it, it starts and runs good, but it's a piece of yeah. You know what I was gonna say? Just, everyone would agree with me when they play this game. It's a terrible car. There's so much maintenance to it. I mean, I only have 1 million miles. Almost 1 million miles. I don't know yet. Yep, almost 1 million miles. Copyright. Wait a minute. It's folded right on. Oh, how nice. Okay, well, the car is nicely jacked up. Let's figure out the size. I believe it's a size 11. Yep. I'll probably do this as a 10-minute or 15-minute video, and then I'll just do a series with engine rebuild. Like so, your engine's off. Woo! You just did your first engine removal. Okay. And you might have to move out of this around a little bit to get to what you're needing. But after a while, it's easier. Okay, time to move around a little bit. Okay. And don't move this lift fast. It'll throw your engine off and you will save the game, and yeah. Fun. Yeah, so the engine's really easy to use, so I'm not afraid of taking it apart. If you guys don't feel comfortable taking apart your car, you can take it to Fleet Tari, but I don't have much money, don't have infinite money. So there's your engine. Woo! You just got her out of the engine bay. Good for you. Okay, so next would be removing the transmission, and that is the first bolts are a size 7. I believe on the back here. Yep. While you're in the transmission part, just will replace some of it, like the clutch or something, because soon something will be wrong, and then yeah. I think I got timing off, which yeah, I don't have to remove the transmission, but I do recommend it's not. Put it back together. We're not taking the transmission off. Just want to get the timing. See what I did wrong or slipped the timing chain or whatever. I don't even know you can do that. So I know it can happen in real life. My fuel pump shouldn't be bad. I just replaced that. So yeah, that's one of the first things that I replaced, the water pump, because yeah. Well, I have this out. Why not? Make sure you have coolant and oil when you go fire the car up again, because you will need it. Okay, that should be good. Okay, next you need a screwdriver. Sorry about the water out, the rain that's out there. It's pretty bad. Okay, that. I forget one. Yeah. Okay. Not too bad. There, you can just leave your parts away. I don't really care. Okay, I believe that is a size smaller, so size 6. Let's test it. Yep. Okay, the flywheel should be a size 10. Let's take a look. Or the pulley. Nope, size 11. There we go. Like so. And I need a drink. Okay, move that, move that. Alright, let's figure this out. That looks like it's size 10. Okay. Try to retime it. I'm gonna set this down a little bit. And just use your ratchet to spin the camshaft pulley. One more. That looks good. But I will not be Dang, we already hit the 15-minute mark. Well, let's do 20. So everything looks good there. Let's remove that transmission and see if we should stick my head through the engine and see what we can find. Oh, also shout out to my TikTok. I can't remember what it is called. Is Cold Farmer 1. I've rebuilt engines before. I show you what happened. Yeah. Yeah, I haven't done much on there. I got 1,000 followers. It's really fun on there. Yeah, go check it out. Might just end the video here because I want to do some research on this here because I thought I just had the deal wrong. I might just have some bad pistons. I know that I don't. Alright, see you later. If you like this video, follow, like, and share. Thanks for watching.